Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming ownership and permission. This avoids legal trouble. Once confirmed, open your archive app and point it to the ZIP file. Make sure to check any nearby notes, email threads, or password managers first, because most recoveries are simple retrievals. If nothing appears, export the ZIP's file name and metadata. This helps later when matching word lists or hints. Now that the file is identified, proceed to choose a recovery approach suited to device capability and legality. Next, try targeted, safe methods. Enter known passwords and common variations, dates, suffixes, or keyboard patterns, because most passwords are human-made. If your password manager synced, search it now. Once done, use official archive apps that support password entry for batch attempts. They limit risk and respect device performance. If those fail, create a focused word list derived from personal hints, names, places, or significant years, and avoid running indiscriminate brute force routines that could harm your device or cross legal lines. To finish, once you regain access, immediately back up the ZIP and save the password in a secure manager so this never repeats. If recovery fails, stop and contact the file owner or follow lawful recovery channels. Don't escalate to risky cracking. Make sure your device has sufficient battery and storage, and grant the archive app storage permissions before retrying. If the archive seems corrupt, try repairing tools from trusted developers or restore from a backup. That often resolves signature or extraction errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.